Hey, what's up, guys? Muscle Funson here, putting the fun into funnels. Boom, and putting the muscles back in muscles. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is something I call stick funnels. Here's the reality is there's no better secret to making a ton of money online than, and by the way, like, comment, share, like this video, share it, comment on it, comment, share it, like it. If you like the video, I like you. If you like me, I like me. That's what we want to do. Okay, so stick funnels. Here's the thing. People say, hey, muscle. And I go, yeah. And they say, how do you do it? What's your secret? How'd you build all these incredible companies that you built? How are you so well known online? And I said, well, first off, my first ever business that I ever had was a tomato gun business. I would shoot tomatoes right out of a gun, right? And I built this incredible thing, and I sold these tomato gun plans to these people. And I was like, oh my God, tomatoes? And for the most part, the tomatoes were just breaking on impact because they were tomatoes and they don't have the sort of sturdiness of a potato to make it work inside of a gun. But hey, cool, right? So what I did is I said, look, here's the real secret. Here's how you make all the money online. Stick figures. Did you see what I just did? I just made $1 million. Watch closely. $1 million more. Right there. Stick funnels. Stick funnels. That's what you're looking for. Now, if you want to build the best stick funnels in the business, the type of stick funnels that stick in your prospect's mind, do you see what I did? See what I did right there? Like, comment, share if you like stick puns, and stick around. That's it. Okay. Sorry. Oh my God, I gotta stick together. That doesn't even make sense. But if you want to build your own stick funnels, what I want you to do is I want you to go to quickfunnels.com. Quickfunnels, that's with a Z. The Z at the end is for zebra because it's my absolute favorite animal. It's crazy that we're not talking about zebras more. It's starting to become something that kind of drives me crazy. I stay up at night sometimes thinking about zebras and how people are just sort of ignoring that they're just this striped horse that lives in the desert in Africa, and we're gonna glouse over it. We're just gonna look at elephants instead. I don't get it. Quick funnels with a Z. So I want you to go there, Muscle Funson. You can build your stick funnels with quick funnels, and I'll tell you more about the story about the tomato gun. So that's it.